Nice smooth action. That is set, so I've got it slamming so it shuts. The rubbing on the bottom, down the bottom there. If I just let go of it here, it doesn't shut, it just stays open. Hey, but then if I try and close it, it's rubbing really hard at the bottom. I don't know if you can hear that. And if you look at the top corner here, it's all loose. So basically I just got to service the door and get it all working nice. It's the same door on the outside. So if I let go, it's not shutting, it's just staying open. And then if I go to the top corner, yeah, it's kicking out. It's all loose. Needs a proper service to get it all up and running again. Yeah, I'll say we'll lift it up. I'll stop rubbing down there. I'll show you what it's like when it's done. Now to get the door off, what I tend to do is use an Allen key. And get an Allen key in there and just pull it with the Allen key and get the strip off. Now we've got all the fixing screws at the top there. So let's see what we're dealing with now. Now, just putting the little airbag at the bottom, just tying it up, close the valve up, and this will stop it from dropping when I undo the screws. And loosen the screws off. Actually, you know what? Let's go more in the middle, just even both sides. There we go. That'll bed it nice in the middle. As I say, that'll stop it from close that valve. That's it. There we go. That hold into place while I undo the screw. So I've got two other screws up here to do. Right, but we can stay with that. Am I need a new top arm? No, let's have a look. That's pretty warm. Well, I'm just going to check the top here. And yeah, the closer's not loose. So that's good. That's not loose. Now I've got to check the top arm. Alright, into the top arm. It's looking a bit sad. Look at when it's worn out here. Where this has been on. It's not very good nick. This is all loose. That's all got to be tightened up. So that's no good. Right, let's check out the pivot. Okay, pivot looks fine. That's good. I see the shoe underneath all that. Yeah, shoe's pretty solid as well. So really it's just the top arm. The rest of it's fine. Alright, the screws are loose, but I've got a new end load kit that I want to put on here to make it a bit better than what it is. So the kit I'm going to be using today is going to be the Alpro kit. Okay. Now you can get like the Allen keys in there, and there's the arm plate. Not going to need that. We have the bits and pieces to get that done. So cool. In this sort of job, always thread lock all the screws so they don't vibrate loose. Okay. Let's give it a shake up and put it on the threads. Thread lock everything. The original ones, they put thread lock on them and the bolts, so thread lock the screws. Makes sense. A thread lock. This one's bit knackered this week. I'll have to redo this one. Okay, finally got it in. Alright, job done. All screws in. And no, this one doesn't have a screw up here because there's nothing behind here. It's just this little, don't know what this is, like a bit of aluminium. So yeah, no screw goes in there. Screw the bolts on the back of there. So you can put this. There we go. Put it onto there. I'll put the other bits on. I told a lie, put that bit on first. And then put this bit in. Yeah. And put this in, because that's got a screw in the back of that. Now that's in there, we've got to do that one. Lovely. Now that's on there, we can put it back on. This is the new block. Yeah, that's a piece that will go there and bolt through. But make sure it saddles right though, so it doesn't do the same things what it did before. Alright, we're looking at how the wear was on the top there. I don't think the door is actually coming up, lifted up high enough. So I am, and you've got a few little marks on here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to lift this up a bit, bring this roller slightly higher than what it is at the moment. Okay, well I've just lifted it up about 3mm. So hopefully that'll make it work even smoother. So, lovely jubbly. Alright. Personally, I like putting a bit of grease on. But that's my own personal preference. It's a bit of grease on the top. When it sits down, it splotches all over. Lovely. Yeah, just to recap, here's how the old one would look. And that's a new one now. And you see how the edges, on the edges there, it just like started spinning around. A bit of wobble, it's because it's got loose and not, the door's not being serviced. That's what caused this to happen. If the door being serviced, this probably would never have happened. But people never service these doors, even though they should. They should get them, well, depending on the usage, minimum of actually, well, once a year, once every couple of years minimum. So, but yeah, people never do. But yeah, let's get this door back on. Got the 2 screws done up. Again, the airbag has acted as my assistant to hold the door up. Thank you, my little assistant. And this bag is from, here we go, ALS Tools. Okay, so if you need airbag, very handy because it's got the width so it can balance in the middle, because it like puffs up either side so it holds in position. But yeah, I use them to help me put these doors back up when I'm on my Jack Jones. Yeah, let's get it all. Oh no, you see the door's much higher now. It's sitting higher than what it was. So yeah, let's see how we get on. Now it's got a new arm on it. It's still not. Still need adjustments on it. As you can hear it all up top. You can hear it. So I need to do adjustments on the top and tighten them all up. That'll be all this stuff here. Okay. This has got to be made central. That's got to be tightened up. This has got to balance this off to hold the door in the right position. So you got one, you got two adjustments here, and 3. That's to tighten it up once you've done it all. So this will get that done. Right, Door's all done now. So we shut the door. Nice smooth action. That's closed. Making contact on the mag every time. You can't just rest the door out slightly. It holds in. Good gap around edges. On the outside. Door's not slamming. So nobody's going to get trapped in the doors. Have time to react. Door's sitting flush. You can hear it tapping on the armature at the top. And obviously you've got the hold-back facility on this closer, so it holds it back. I'll just close the door. There you go. Job done. Cheers.